Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing this video a little bit differently. We've already returned home from our trip to Las Vegas. We stayed at the Excalibur in a renovated Resort King room at the end of May, and we wanted to share our thoughts on the renovations. So let's get into it. We don't think they did much in the bathrooms. There was a lot of markings all over the floor that wouldn't clean up. Looking back at old photos, I have to wonder if maybe they painted over the old tile. The light fixtures were really rusty and missed in the renovation. They did take out the sliding shower doors and opted for a shower curtain. As you can see, the base of our shower just a little bit dirty and looked a little bit grimy. As everyone knows, they did this renovation with the old furniture and the old carpet from the MGM Grand. The furniture was actually in pretty good shape. They did add this fridge for your personal use, which was a nice touch. Overall, though, I would say this is a refresh, not a renovation. It was very surface level. The safe can be found in the bottom of one of your bedside tables if you can't find it. A big con for us was the bed. It was firm, it was uncomfortable, and we had a terrible night's sleep. I do know, though, that beds are subjective. We have stayed at the Excalibur 5 times. I have stayed in various room types. I do have a video up on YouTube showing them and the property. We had a strip view on the 27th floor. This was room 27217. I think this property is for very budget-minded individuals, but I do think there are better products in the budget market in Las Vegas that offer a better product and a more consistent product. It's also good for families. I don't think we would rush back. If you like my content, I'd love if you'd follow along on my socials. I'm just going to follow over here and show you a big gob of gum in the carpet. We were able to get some up and just ultimately covered it with a Kleenex. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.